Hey, just a quick live because I wanted to announce this new challenge, 8 days to your desired reality. We have a kit, we have a training, and then for the next 8 days, I'll be breaking down the process to creating your desired reality. So I'm really, really excited. Hey, how are you? Oh, hey, Emily, how are you doing? That is so weird, Emily. I literally was just thinking about you. That was so. Emily is one of my one-on-one clients who is killing it. I'm live on Instagram and TikTok. I'm back on TikTok because I feel so much better energetically. I did. It's like interesting going live on TikTok, but Instagram's energy field is very supportive for me. So it's very easy for me to go live on Instagram even when I'm low energy. But TikTok takes a lot of energy for me. So I have to be high energy when I go live on TikTok. And Twitter, I will never ever go live on Twitter, ever. Like ever. And I don't recommend that you do if you're an empath. Oh, thank you. All right, so I'm really excited. Clearly, right? My energy's like, y'all, it's like the next 8 days I will be posting TikToks and Reels to break down the steps for this manifestation method, or this reality creation method rather. And then we're going to talk about the dimensions of you. And so you can get the free kit to get started, to work along with me and use the exercise. It's 444 right now, so click that link in the bio to download it. But I really wanted to start it this week to take advantage. Hey on TikTok. I really wanted to start this week to take advantage of the energy of the Lionsgate portal. So 8/8 was one of the most powerful days, and no, it's a free challenge. So you can it's a kit workbook to work through one of the techniques to help you align the dimensions of you so you can create your desired reality. So 8/8 was one of the high points of the Lionsgate portal, but we're going to feel the effects and the energy for the next few weeks. So this is a great time, especially with the new moon, right? The new moon, Lionsgate, this is the time to start calling in what you want to your life, and at the same time releasing those fears, blocks, limitations, so you can clearly call into what you want into your life, but in all areas. So this method really is going to help you concentrate your focus and your energy for the next 8 days, powered by the Lionsgate portal and the new moon energy, so you can really supercharge your subconscious manifestation. So it's a free kit. You can get it through the link in my bio, and we'll get started tomorrow. You'll get an email to prepare you, but I'll be posting just reels and TikToks to break down each step. I already am going live this week to talk about a few of the other 55 blocks to your success. If you are just joining or just watching this replay or just discovered me, I'm a master hypnotherapist and hypnosis trainer. My first class starts next year. But through this process, in order to actually be certified by me, you have to go through Master Your 3D Universe, my group hypnosis program. But you can get started on creating your desired reality in this free challenge. And so with this free challenge, what you're going to be able to take advantages of is the information that I've gathered from these 400 plus sessions and the breakdown of the 55 blocks. But because of these 55 blocks, I had to develop these custom techniques that that cross across different methodologies. So some of them we use hypnosis, some of them are conscious, some of them are energetic. But now I have 111 techniques that I use to help hi, good afternoon. 111 techniques that I use to help release these 55 blocks within my clients. So during this challenge, you get to access one of the techniques. to help you release blocks in the 8 dimensions of your life, the 8 dimensions of you. And so when we release it within the 8 dimensions of you, you're left with your desired reality. Okay? So the dimensions of you are mental, emotional, physical, energetic, financial, and 3-dimensional. Then we have the soul, and then we have material. So those are the 8 dimensions of you. And so what we're going to do is create alignment within these 8 dimensions this week for the next 8 days. Tap into the Lionsgate portal energy, tap into the new moon energy, and then you can finally let it go. And then stay aligned. And so this will help you just get started and really end 2021 off right, because 2021 is the year of sowing, if you didn't know. And then next year we're going to reap, and 2023 reap everything that we've done this year. So if you have been feeling like you didn't really do the things that you wanted to do or get organized, or you're struggling to focus, or you're struggling to get aligned, this is your opportunity to do so. And it really doesn't take much. It's just reflecting and focusing, clarity and concentration. And so if you want to stay aligned, you can also take advantage of the promo that I'm running for the Magnify Your Manifestation Magnetism Subliminal Set that helps you stay aligned as you're doing the challenge, but that's optional. But the kit is free, so you can join and stay along as we do the exercise for the next 8 days. I'm really excited to offer this to you all. I hope you are joining me, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.